Closeio is a sales-focused CRM designed to streamline workflows, improve communication, and boost team productivity. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform step by step, starting with the onboarding process. Closeio makes it easy to get started with a clean interface and robust onboarding tools, which include tutorials and guided walkthroughs to ensure you and your team hit the ground running. The dashboard is sleek and customizable, offering a clear view of your pipeline, tasks, and analytics. What sets Closeio apart is its focus on simplicity, without sacrificing functionality. Whether you're managing leads, tracking emails, or analyzing call data, Closeio provides the tools you need without overwhelming complexity. One of the standout features is its built-in email and call tracking. Closeio logs all interactions with your leads, giving you a centralized history of communications that you can access instantly. The automation tools are another highlight. From setting up follow-up sequences to creating workflows that trigger specific actions based on lead behavior, the platform allows you to save time while staying organized. The integrations are extensive, seamlessly connecting with platforms like Zapier, Slack, and popular email services. This ensures that you can incorporate Closeio into your existing tech stack without friction. Additionally, Closeio offers powerful reporting tools. You can generate detailed reports on team performance, conversion rates, and pipeline health, making it easier to make data-driven decisions. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that might help streamline your work and enhance your productivity. Do this after watching the video to make the most of the information provided here. Another noteworthy feature is the predictive dialer, which helps sales reps quickly call through their lead lists without manual dialing. This feature is particularly valuable for outbound sales teams, as it reduces time spent on repetitive tasks and increases call volume. The software's call coaching tools also allow managers to monitor and guide reps in real time, ensuring consistent messaging and skill improvement. Closeio's mobile app ensures that you can stay connected with your leads even when you're on the go. With access to all key features from your smartphone, you'll never miss an important update or opportunity. The pricing is competitive and offers various tiers to cater to businesses of different sizes. While Closeio may not be the cheapest option on the market, its feature set and usability justify the investment for most sales teams. Overall, Closeio is a solid choice for businesses looking to optimize their sales process and increase efficiency. Its ease of use, robust feature set, and focus on automation make it a standout CRM for sales-driven organizations. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of tools designed to make your business thrive. See you in the next video.